ude kulapasi anomkapi bateso ulaphi bathushala abakosi andile bese ngizela khona uga ubaza ngiluma yabo ubaza ngimisa akhumbula bakubaba abebeso usala kuthala kana nyenyezela obeshe besulu yabo kubafakane usihlangu semadoleni luka sana yabo ngalendaba ungasela amadoda kulapho kumthanda khona yani qosho into kubeza lo langa ephethe amadodana omabili emthabatha lapha uma khona emsikisa lapha eshona khona ingoma ngesekhaya lapha kontobazi lapha kalanga.
Hello everyone, Ngiyanutshisana and welcome to my channel. Ngiyabuza futhi nenzani lapho kwaZulu. Zulu yasabeka. Bayede dog. So that is the Zulu King Mr. Zulu and his wife Queen Nomzamo Myeni jetting off to Zimbabwe yesterday to an official meeting with the President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Yes, this lovey-dovey video that you're seeing right now comes right after that viral video broke the internet a few days ago. Yes, even after insulting the Queen, accusing her of behaving in an undesirable way around men, including cheating with Umasango Shembe, insulting Shembe. Yes, they are a united front now, after involving us through a video that we didn't even ask for. In a nutshell, don't get involved in domestic matters. They know when to leave if they want to. They know where to seek help if they want to. They know how to divorce if they want to. I learned from the best, Ubabes Wodumo Nomampintsha. Look at me equating a Zulu king and queen with Ubabes Wodumo Nomampintsha. My analogy is even better because there are those that said they can see Siyacela behaving like King Mr. Zulu in that video when Siyacela is older. Ustupeto. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.